For more than 5 years now, Kiwanians have been opening clubs in the manner first pioneered by Jim Rochford and his Eye of the Tiger team. Whereas its methodology has subtly modified and been refined over the years, the core elements have remained unchanged. Appointments are made, a club opening event is scheduled to focus the effort, prospect meetings are held where new members are signed up. To aid these efforts, Excel was first used but quickly gave way to Google Sheets. Google Sheets brought a number of advantages to a team of appointment setters, all working at the same time but from different locations. They could see what each other was doing in real time and thereby avoid stepping on each other's toes, calling the same prospect multiple times. The sheets brought advantages but also some significant shortcomings. It was difficult, if not impossible, to effectively sort or filter the list of prospects. Sorting changes the order of the prospects in the sheet. You might want to list the sheet alphabetically, according to business name or address or category. You might want to sort the list according to those who have already been called or have yet to be called. Filtering the list displays only those prospects who meet the conditions that you establish. You might want to see only prospects who are categorized as education, or finance, or insurance. The challenge with Google Sheets is that if one person sorts or filters the list, that sort, order, or filter affects everyone. Having a list change on you for no apparent reason, right in the middle of a call, can be very disconcerting. It can be discombobulating. Our goal is to help our appointment setters and not make their job more difficult than it is. This was the initial impetus for creating our Cpdesk software. Cpdesk takes a web-based approach that gives our appointment setters much more flexibility over what they see. Like with Google Sheets, everything is updated in real time. That means that changes made in Kentucky can be immediately seen in Ohio or in Florida. Cpdesk lets appointment setters sort or filter their list any way they want without fear of affecting what anyone else sees. We're looking at the contact list for the club opening event in Alliston. Currently, it's being sorted by name. The area at the top of the screen are our filter tools. We can filter the list by location, by status, team, address, appointments, etc., etc. The headers at the top of the column sort the list. We can sort it by name, business, team, address, phone, etc., just by clicking on the respective headings. If we click on them a second time, it sorts it in the reverse alphabetical order. If we click on category in the filter section, we can choose to only see those in the education or insurance categories. This is great for appointment setters who want to concentrate on one category over another. If either of the blue highlighted name or business name are clicked on, the contact opens up, revealing the edit screen where changes can be made. Appointment setters will update their status, add their name, and then click Save to update the list. Coordinators can easily see who's been making calls and what the results are. It also means that you can see what and when appointments have been made. No more cutting and copying text to make additional lists of appointments. No more mistakes that can occur when additional lists are being made. The whole appointment setting process is streamlined and optimized for multiple use from multiple locations. But that's not all. We know that club opening events often take place in locations that are unfamiliar with those participating in them. We've created a special mobile view that displays the same data that the appointment setters entered on a screen, optimized for phones and tablets. This makes it easy for those in the field to get and update information whenever they want, as long as they have an internet connection. Like with appointment setters, they can sort and filter information to their liking. But it gets better. We've geotagged all of the business addresses that were entered and created a special map view. The color of the pin changes with the status of the business. Red pins show us where businesses who have appointments are located. If clicked on, directions from your current location to that business are shown. You'll never get lost again. All in all, we think that our Cpdesk software will greatly aid all new club opening events. And the cost? It's already been commissioned and paid for by Kiwanis International. We hope that you are as excited to use Cpdesk as we are to show it to you. Together, we'll work to improve the world one new Kiwanis club at a time.